Hello guys, welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. Today we'll be talking about how to draw a bus in one point perspective. To begin with, you need to have a guideline, horizon line or eye level. We should have a vanishing point on the eye level. After that, draw a simple cuboid. So this corner has to vanish here. Okay. End up the bus or the cuboid. First you draw the cuboid initially. To draw any vehicle or it may be any object, you have to draw cube or cuboid geometrical form. And I want one more bus here, so that I made another cuboid using the guideline. Okay. If we want one more bus or the vehicle behind, again with the same, using the same guideline, you can have another vehicle there. So we drew 3 cuboids to draw buses. So after making the rough form of a vehicle, you need to add details whatever you wanted. So this you can draw from your memory, whatever you have observed from your surrounding. So that is much appreciated in terms of NATA or other aptitude test. In front portion, the shapes will not vanish toward the vanishing point. That is a major that is a important rule in perspective. This portion will not vanish anywhere. Only the sides or vanishes towards the vanishing point. And add whatever detail you wanted. Very simple details. So you could to draw the tire, you should have a guideline and draw other details like entrance, doorway to the bus with the perspective. Windows, observation is very much important from surrounding, whatever vehicle, buildings or whatever happening around you, so that you should observe very deeply before drawing any picture. So that is very much important to an artist or a designer. Observing the surrounding is very much important. So parallelly, to add the other tire, parallelly you have to have a line to define the tire. So here will be the another tire back wheel. So we have just drew a rough drawing of a bus. Could add some detail through the glass. You could add some detail. Drawing is not like executing or depicting as it is from the real images. Actually, we need to draw the essence, simplification, simplified form of the object or detail to the object. Very simplified sketch. Okay, somebody standing inside and a driver, and through this window you could draw some people. Okay, the just indication of a vehicle. Okay, right, this is a very rough composition, rough drawing. Here the back side, the detail will be reduced because of the distance. Then this, so whatever detail you wanted to draw, you can draw. So the same tire mark here again. Here the side will not visible much detail. Okay, so here again you can go for little more detail than this, little less detail than this. Okay, just I'm using basic shapes to define the details also. Very simple, very simple. You can make it very simple drawing. Okay, as a rough drawing. Then you could, if you wanted, suppose if you think, okay, I want to add more detail to the scene, you can add up more detail with a guideline. Sides you can show up buildings. So here we are not focused to draw the buildings today. We are just showing how to draw vehicles on the road with the perspective. So here to show up the background, I drew some vehicles, the buildings over there. So to create environment. Okay. After this, after drawing a rough picture, you need to work on the light and shade and the shadow. So here under the bus you have to show shadow. According to the direction of the light. Okay. Shadow, when you're making the mark for shadow also, you need to take perspective guidelines from the vanishing point. That is very much important. Alright. Now, so you need to create again fair outline drawing after the rough drawing. When you're making the fair outline, if you could add more details, whatever detail you wanted to the bus or the vehicle, you can add it up. To write up the number, don't write any numbers, you can just make some marks there to indicate there is written something. Okay, and again going for the detail on the rough drawing, fair outline. So any more detail you wanted, you can add it up, minute details, and darken the portion wherever you wanted with shading. Yeah. Here is the number of the bus or designation of the bus here, something written over there. If you wanted, you can have a mark. Again, go for major detail and darkness. There is simplified drawing, just an indication inside the bus, somebody standing. Okay, just to show up details. You can have a mirror over there, side lights. It seems to be very tough, but it is very easy to draw. So if you understand what is happening after making the rough form, it is very much easy to draw any picture. Understanding of the forms and the shape is very much important. Also, the lines are leading to the perspective. Shade it whatever you wanted. Differentiation between the color, and you could go for overall shading. Like this. Then the shadow. Now we have created the illusion of a bus. Same thing, you can work on the shadow, overall shadow, some detail, that's all. Here again overall shadow to a bus, outline. And yeah, can you see the details, which is reduced to the behind object or the vehicle. So here you can show up suppose on the horizon. If you want some buildings, you can show. So this is a very rough idea how to create a vehicle, how to draw a vehicle with one point perspective. This will be very much helpful to the beginner to make a rough drawings. Okay. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment and share. We'll meet again with another tutorial. Yeah.